In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to clear watch and search history on X account. Let's get started. First, launch your X app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on the profile icon given at the top left. Then head over to the option settings and privacy. Once you're in this page, navigate to the option accessibility, display and languages. Now click on the option data usage. Under this, you're gonna find list of options. You will need to select the option of media storage. Then choose the option to clear it. After that, go back and tap web storage. Now select clear all storage to completely remove cached data. Now that your watch history is cleared, you will want to remove your recent searches too. For that, head back, click on the search icon. Now here you're gonna find the option of clear all. Click on that and confirm it. And just with that, you have cleared your search history as well. And that's it. This way you can easily delete search and watch history on X account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.